Former Chief Minister and opposition TMC Parliamentary Party President Mukul Sangma has asked the state government not to go ahead with what he called a ridiculous decision of adopting the NCERT textbooks. The state cabinet had recently decided to adopt NCERT textbooks in MBOs for classes 1 to 10 while ensuring that local contents based on culture, history and uniqueness will not be diluted. Sangma said if the state government goes ahead with the decision, it is going to deprive the people at present and in future, adding that he will not allow such a move.
Talking about NCERT textbooks to be adopted, and you are also saying that, okay, we are fighting for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in 8th schedule. You want to have authors, you want to have writers. You want to buy ready-made books from NCERT? What will happen to our prospective writers? What will happen to our authors? This is another opportunity for our writers, our young, aspiring, academicians who should be authoring books.